వాటర్ లేకుంటే చాలండి.
I'm making budgies. I'm making the video so budgie chestuna. Say it again. Nen budgie chestuna. Really?
Why you are doing?
Because it's fun. You know, I have to do it in Telugu because Daddy gonna send it to.
Okay.
Yeah. Avva.
Avva పంపిస్తాను. ఓకే, అవ్వకి అక్కల కన్నా పంపిస్తాను.
Daddy's ready.
Wait.
Messy hands.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, here go.
Chicken. It has to get more pink. Chiku, what's your name? Chiku.
Chiku, what's your name? That's funny, baby.
That looks like custard in this video. Oh yeah, it does.
What is this? It's not done.
Daddy, look, it looks like custard.
Put it here. Yeah.
Where?
No, let's see.
Oh, Daddy!
Okay. That's okay. You can put it on it also, slowly. Yeah, good. The 3 budgies, Chiku chestunnaru kada?
Yeah.
Of course.
I did
made
more.
more.
I made more.
Yeah.
We made this. And that.
Yes, you can say it.
And make them, and show those. I did those
This
too.
one, mirchi is from our garden, right?
Yeah. Mirchi.
Yeah.
Mirchi garden. I don't know.
గార్డెన్ తెలుగులో తోట, మన తోట.
మన తోట.
మన తోటలో మిర్చి.
మన తోటలో మిర్చితో
మిర్చి బజ్జీ చేస్తున్నాను.
Well, I'm not doing it. You're doing it.
Move it.